many have we seen so far? 3?
Yeah.
It's not bad.
Is that you? Huh? Yeah. Nice. Awesome.
Oh, I saw that fish come in and I burned it up and smack. Down she goes. Caught one over here last year, Jed. Did I say dab? Got him! Right at the boat, right at the boat, right at the boat, right at the boat. Coming over the other side, other side. Boom! First cast. Is he unhooked? Wonderful. See you, dude. Fish. Not sure how big it is. Oh, I know it. I thought it came off. Still got it. That was one of those ones where it was like 4 cranks in.
Good.
Wonderful. Pretty hot little dude. It's kind of weird how to describe how they hit it that far out. It's like, got one. Yeah. Come on. Yes! There's 2 fish in 3 casts. That is the ticket tip. The other hand, Alaska might be better than this. You see a lot more wildlife.
Oh, you got him.
I got him. I do. Oh, stop reeling for a second.
Oh, you just got him. Maybe now he'll hook himself good.
I've got one treble on there though. Get him. Get him. Yes.
Oh, nice. How many is that? 5? 5. Holy cow, Pierce.
Deal with it.
Lights out. The rest of us in the smoke. Josh, did you get one? No.
Josh, you want to fish that lure now?
No.
My dad's fishing lure that I caught 4 on. I'm fishing my B lure. I could fish my C lure if you wanted to. I don't really need a picture of that. It's just a little dude. We've gone a while. Oh, see. Oh my God. Yeah, I did. Got him. I got him. It's a good one too. Nice one. one for the other thumb. Is my GoPro going?
Yeah.
I saw that fish, it hit, and it boiled on it, and then I sped it up, and yep.
You ate it.
That might type my personal best. I kind of want to measure that one.
Yeah, nice healthy one.
Yeah, except for the fact it's got like,
It's bleeding out.
it's got like 2 scars on it.
There he goes.
Who wants to slime a high five?
Right on.